Yeah, 10% saying.
Ireland.
Right. Wow.
You okay, Keith?
I'm not okay.
But it's worth it.
And then I remember running to a pizza shop. Just imagine what it's doing to our stomachs. This is our final shot? Okay.
Ortiz.
It's all of it.
Miss.
You ate a lot though, and I'm proud of you. You're killing my friend.
Ooh, my stomach feels weird.
Another gordita.
This is the volcano one, isn't it? Yeah.
So the steak you're eating is probably meat.
All cow foot,
Yeah.
baby.
And if it's not over seasoned, then it's gonna taste like.
Ooh, yeah. I'm sorry, I can't.
Oh, okay. Wow, Keith.
It's not cheesy roll-up, Bell. It's not quesadilla, Bell. After a feast of $180 at Taco Bell, you need to relax with the refreshing taste. Oh my God. Is my body just trying to reject the food? Oh God.
Curly got the burps.
Sorry, they stink.
Oh man, I got a deep burp coming.
My
I don't know when
burps
it's
always
gonna
smell.
Wait, I wanna smell it.
Give it to the Lord. Give it to the Lord. It's always